Big Deals Day, as we know, happened on the 8th and the 9th of October. So still, I think some of the results are coming up. But from what we have seen so far, ad spend actually sort of experienced a significant spike. Ad revenue, unfortunately and disappointingly, did not really live up to that. Most of our merchants essentially saw the ROAS, or return on advertising spend, come down quite a bit. When we really analyze this further into the level of orders, the average order value was one of the areas which really got impacted this time, at least for our customer base of the merchants that advertise on marketplace as such. The ad CPCs, the cost per clicks, experienced a significant spike. Just to give you an understanding, for the, let us say, on an aggregate level on day one of Prime Big Deals Day, which was 8th of October, the ad CPC actually went up by almost about 36% year on year, which is a huge spike, understandably. And on day two, it came down, so it just balanced out a little bit more at about 20%. But if you really still take the weighted average for both of these days, it still amounts to about 26% was the average inflation in CPC cost per click. So more expensive clicks, and the orders were still reasonable. I would say about 8 to 9% higher compared to last year. Prime Day. Ad spend significantly higher, 17%, a big reason we have seen the CPC increase and so on. So overall, it has been at best a moderate Prime Big Deals Day this year. Not exactly, I am pretty sure, as to how we had expected the entire holiday season to kick off. But then you understand that there are quite a few external forces which are at play here. For example, this was the time when I think the overall weather conditions, specifically in Florida, etc., may have played a role. And similarly, we have the upcoming elections coming up, presidential elections, which may have had an impact as well. And before Prime Day, we were a little apprehensive because there was this strike which was there, but we were thankfully called off 2 days prior to the Prime Day. So we don't think, I've not really seen any evidence which makes us say that has had really an impact on the demand. It has been a more moderate Prime Big Deals Day this year compared to what we had initially expected or anticipated it to be. Thank you.